SNMP Monitoring, what it is and how to use it. SNMP stands for Simple Network Management Protocol. It is a standard protocol used to monitor and manage devices on a network. SNMP monitoring helps IT administrators track the performance, availability, and status of network-connected devices, such as servers, routers, switches, printers, and storage systems. SNMP is widely used in both small and large IT environments because it provides a simple and efficient way to gather valuable information from devices without needing to log into each one manually. What is SNMP monitoring? SNMP monitoring involves using SNMP to collect data from network devices. It allows administrators to monitor device health, CPU usage, memory, disk space, track network performance, bandwidth, packet loss, errors, receive alerts when devices go down or show signs of failure, generate reports for trend analysis and capacity planning. SNMP works through a manager-agent model. The SNMP Manager is a software tool, like Zabbix, PRTG, Nagios, or SolarWinds, that requests and receives data. The SNMP Agent is a small program running on the device that collects and shares data. The manager uses GET requests to ask for specific information and receives responses from agents. Devices can also send alerts, known as SNMP traps, to notify the manager about issues like system failures or temperature warnings. Key components of SNMP. Manage devices. These are the devices you want to monitor, e.g. routers, servers. SNMP Agent. Installed on each managed device. It gathers and stores data. SNMP Manager. The software that queries devices, collects data, and displays it for administrators. MIB, Management Information Base, a database of information that can be monitored on a device. It defines what data is available and how it's structured. How to use SNMP monitoring. Enable SNMP on devices. Most network devices and operating systems support SNMP. You must enable in the settings and configure community strings, password-like identifiers. Install an SNMP monitoring tool. Use software like Zabbix, PRTG Network Monitor, Nagios, SolarWinds. Add devices to the monitoring system. Use the IP addresses of your devices to add them to your SNMP tool. Configure alerts and thresholds. Set performance thresholds for CPU, memory, or bandwidth usage. If these limits are crossed, the system will alert you. View reports and dashboards. Use the software's dashboards to view real-time performance data, historical trends, and receive alerts. Benefits of SNMP monitoring. Proactive maintenance. Identify issues before they become critical. Reduce downtime. Get alerts and respond quickly to problems. Better resource planning. Use historical data for future upgrades. Centralized monitoring. Manage hundreds of devices from one interface. Conclusion. SNMP monitoring is an essential tool for any IT team managing network devices. It offers a simple, scalable, and effective way to track system health, improve uptime, and ensure the stability of your infrastructure. Whether you're running a small office network or a large data center, SNMP can give you the visibility and control you need.